So, magbubukas muna tayo ng orders from Shein. Diba? Yes! From Shein. Buksan natin yung loves from Shein. Loves yan. From Shein. Yan. Wow! So nice! Wow! Pang Christmas party ni Chelsea to. Wow, so nice. Wow! Oh, very nice. It's the dress for Chelsea. And the second item, this is the boots for Mikay. Why it's so big? The boots. Well, nice. Nice for Christmas party. This is nice. It has a heart. Look at the heart shape. Very nice boots. Look at that. For Mikay, and it's for Chelsea. Oh, thank you. I'm going to open now this box from Victoria's Secret. Oh la la. Victoria's Secret love service alert. Dangerous goods accepted. Yeah, this is it. Victoria's Secret. Yeah. I'm going to open now this Victoria's Secret box. Why? Maybe I'm going to open here. Secret box. Oh. Uy, shooty. Look, very big. So, ito yung laman ng box. Look, it has a bubble wrap. Lago kayong bubble wrap. Ay! Huh? Wow, what's this? Victoria's Secret bag. Look at that, Victoria's Secret bag. Let's see the bag. Oh, very nice. This is the bag. Nice. Oh, so nice. Look at that. Very nice bag. Wow. Shining, glittering. What is this? I have two. What is this? Where's the scissor? I'm going to open this. What is it? I have my bag now. This. It is really easy, so. Wow! It's so perfume! Bombshell Seduction. Oh my gosh. Trouble spray. Let's open this last. Ay, pwede malinan yun. The big one! Bombshell Seduction. This is the travel size. This is the big size. Whoa. So very nice. Open it. Nice, very nice. Very nice. Look at this. It smells so good. Here it is. Here it is. And this is the travel size.